National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevenson County in northwest Illinois until 7 o'clock p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cedarville and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Dakota, Rock City, Davis, Lake Somerset, Afolkey, Dakota Dornick Airport, Winneshiek and Drop Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.